Hey there, language learners. Today, we're going to learn the pronunciation of a word that can be quite tricky. Nauseous. Nauseous means that you feel sick, that you might vomit or throw up. The word nauseous has two syllables, nauseous. And you could use this as a pronunciation guide. Nauseous. Can you try to say it with me? Nauseous. And remember that the stress falls on the first syllable, nauseous. Now, let's use it in a sentence. She felt nauseous on the airplane. For present tense, you can say, I feel nauseous. Well, I hope you don't feel nauseous. Remember, keep practicing your pronunciation and soon you will sound just like a native speaker. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you next time.